Introducing our Hamburg steak. The ingredients are half medium onion, 100 grams diced, 15 grams butter, 300 grams ground beef and pork mixture, 3/4 cup breadcrumbs, 30 grams, 3 tablespoon milk, 1 beaten egg, half teaspoon salt, dash of pepper and nutmeg. Fill the microwave oven water tank to the fullest. Combine onion and butter in a bowl. Put it inside the microwave oven. Press microwave 700 watt and enter 2 minutes. Let it cool down before adding ground beef, pork mixture, breadcrumbs, milk, egg, salt, pepper and nutmeg. Divide into 4 portions. Coat hands with a small amount of oil and make oblong patties. Make a dent in the middle of each patty. Open the stands of the super grill tray and place the patties on top. Press 29 Hamburg steak to cook. Add ketchup and Worcestershire sauce to taste.